So progression for our isometric hold for our hip flexors. So again, I'm going to begin with my left knee into my left hand. These two limbs are creating an energy pressing into each other. It's helping me to find my neutral across my pelvis. I'm going to inhale here, exhale to bring the other leg up. And now I'm going to prepare to reach that right leg long. So as I exhale and send that leg long, I want to make sure that I don't lose my neutral connection here. If you feel like your back starts to arch and you're not able to reach that leg fully out without losing neutral, then I want you just to extend that leg as far as you can to maintain neutral. And as you get stronger, you can reach that leg out further. Another modification is to reach the leg up higher towards the ceiling. That's going to help you be able to create a little bit more support here. As you get stronger, that leg can lower further down to the floor for an additional challenge. So again, we keep this connection here of our hand and our knee into each other the whole time. As we exhale, reach that moving leg away, and then inhale to bring it back in with control.